Hey, this is, I just wanted to discuss the PowerPoint with you guys for today. So this is the structure of the Earth. This is only a 5 slide PowerPoint, so it shouldn't take us too long. But this is very important information. I'm going to provide you with a notes page, and you're going to need to make sure that you get the notes from this PowerPoint into your notebooks. All right, so the crust, it's the thinnest outermost layer of the Earth, so it's essentially the one that we live on. It's only about 2 to 35 miles thick. It's mostly made of rock and soil that is brittle, and remember, brittle is easily broken. It's the least dense layer in Earth's geosphere. Rocks are under the ocean and on land, and then it consists of land and ocean. Obviously, again, it's where we live. It's the outermost part, so that's what we live on. So we have land and water. And the temperature of the crust typically varies. So, however, the further down you dig through the crust, the temperature increases. All right, the mantle. So that is your second outer layer. Just right underneath the crust, it says the dense, thick layer of rock just below the crust. It's Earth's thick middle layer, made mostly of solid rock, makes it denser than the crust, so it's made more of rock than it is of the soil. This layer undergoes constant heat and pressure, so the temperature range between 680 degrees Fahrenheit and 4,532 degrees Fahrenheit. The heat and pressure causes rocks to move and bend within this layer, and this layer is about 1,800 miles thick, and again, it's a dense layer of rock. The outer core. So this is technically the third layer if you're going down. This is the only layer that has liquid, and it's molten lava, and it's made of iron and nickel in the liquid form, and there's no water in this layer. Again, it's made up of molten lava, and it is about 1,400 miles thick, or 1,400 miles thick. The temperature is typically around 3,500 to 4,300 degrees Fahrenheit. And scientists know this layer is made of liquid molten lava by studying what happens when earthquakes occur. So this is the lava that comes up when there's an earthquake. And the last part is the inner core. So this is the fourth layer from the crust to the center of the Earth, essentially. So it's a solid layer. It's made up of iron and nickel. It is about 780 miles in depth. The temperature can be as high as 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's a dense ball of solid iron crystals. Okay, again, make sure you guys get these notes. You can go back in and go back through this PowerPoint as you need, but make sure you get this information.